Really close. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be trying on different decades outfits. Different outfits inspired by different decades. So I'm doing 80s through early 2000s, and I'm going to show you a few outfits. Obviously they're not that accurate, but they're just inspired by these decades. So we're going to go and oh my gosh. Chronological order. So we're going to go in chronological order from the 80s to the early 2000s. And yeah, let's get started. This is not 7-Up. This outfit, guys, I'm obsessed with this outfit. It is so 80s. These shorts are a little questionable because they're not that flattering on me, but they definitely fit the 80s vibe. 100% the paper bag shorts, the high-waistedness, the looseness, and then the tucked in short sleeve shirt. Oh my gosh, wait, I have something that'll make it better. I always do this. So basically, oh, I'll show you what I added. So I added some silver hoops. I feel like that just makes the look way better. Like, it just makes it look so much more 80s. And these are from Forever 21, I'm pretty sure. It came in a whole set, but I don't know if it's from Forever 21, one of those kinds of stores. Then for this pink shirt, it's from the thrift store. It's from Goodwill, I'm pretty sure. And these shorts are from Princess Polly. If I were to get them again, I wouldn't get the ripped ones. I don't know, I feel like the rips just kind of don't make them like as cute. And then lastly, I have this Forever 21 belt on. I wish I had crimped hair. That would be so much better. I love it. I feel so like disco-y. Okay, so for this outfit, it's more out there. I mean, it's very 80s, like very. I mean, these, okay, getting ahead of myself. So these earrings are the same earrings I was wearing before, and this shirt is my mom's sleeping shirt, and it's really big. It's literally huge. She got like 3 times the size of her to sleep in, and I'm smaller than her, so it's like 4 times size as me. But I just tied it in the back, and then I tucked it in a little to make it look cuter and more 80s with the little tuck. And then these pants are actually authentic 80s pants. I got them at Udelco, and they are from the 80s, which is really cool because that makes this outfit even better. But yeah, I really like this outfit. I like how colorful it is. I was trying to find a white shirt for this, like a white with a colorful graphic on it, but I couldn't find one. Then I found this, and it has some purple in it, and it's just colorful, and it's actually an I Love Lucy shirt. So, but yeah, I really like this outfit. Oh, and I forgot to say for shoes, I forgot to say for the last one. Again, you guys know the shoes I always wear are my white thrifted sneakers. And again, I don't have them with me. I don't feel like going downstairs to get them, so they're just white thrifted sneakers, kind of dirty, kind of vintage looking. I'd just wear those with everything. Or, like I also said in my last outfit video, I'd wear those chunky black strappy heels, or white strappy heels, not even heels, but like those chunky shoes. I showed pictures of them in my last video. I'd wear one of those, except I don't have them, so, but yeah, and I'm not allowed to wear shoes in my room, so. This outfit is a little less 80s. I mean, it's definitely very 80s, but I feel like I could even go into 90s. I'm sorry, I keep touching my hair. Same earrings, and then this shirt I got off of Depop. A little story about this. I saw this shirt on Haley's Corners thrifting video, and she thrifted it. I really liked it, so I decided to look it up on like Poshmark or all, like, you know, Depop, those little apps. and I found it. But I literally love this shirt so much because I love the contrasting colors, how it's like orange and yellow on this lavender, and then it also has this yellow trim. I literally love that detail so much, so I had to get it, and I did, and it wasn't expensive at all. I think it was like $8, so thank you to whoever sold me this shirt. I'm also wearing the same belt I have been wearing from Forever 21, and these jeans are like kind of, nothing's flattering on me, but like these jeans especially, they're from American Eagle, and I wish I had looser jeans to show. They're still mom jeans, but they're not as loose or like baggy as I wish they were. So now we're moving into the 90s era. So I took off the hoop earrings and I put on a black tight shirt. I'm pretty sure this shirt is from TJ Maxx. If not, it's from Marshall's. And then I have this adorable plaid skirt on, and it is from PacSun. It's John Galt, I'm pretty sure. Yes, it's John Galt. And then I have these little tights on. They're actually kind of like stockings, like socks. But yeah, this outfit is super cute, and it's not as much summer. I'm doing more warmer outfits because I do have sweatshirts and stuff and sweaters that I could incorporate in the decades, but I thought I'd just do a little bit warmer outfits, even though this outfit would probably just be worn in the fall and winter. But I still think it's cute, and I thought I'd include it because plaid skirts were very in the 90s, and this just gives me Rachel Green vibes. This outfit is pretty simple, and also I haven't been putting on jewelry, like necklaces, just because I don't know what I'd wear, like what kind of necklaces I'd wear. Probably just wear simple ones, but I don't know. This outfit's good without necklaces, but yeah. Hey guys, I just want to quickly pop into this video and say a few little things. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Black Lives Matter movement. Please ignore the lawnmower. My family just started mowing the lawn, but I find it hard to find the right words on how to speak about this. But I do want to just say that I have a link in my Instagram bio to watch a YouTube video that has a lot of ads in it that donates all its revenue to the Black Lives Matter movement. Please don't skip any of the ads because that allows the creator to get the money to donate to the charities. There's also tons of other videos like this on YouTube that you can watch to donate money. Also, a lot of influencers on Instagram have highlights for the Black Lives Matter movement with a lot of petitions and videos you can watch to educate yourself. I'm still educating myself, and I just want to share this with you guys. I know Hannah Maloche definitely has a highlight on her Instagram that shares petitions, charities to donate to, and just all different links that you can go to help out with this movement. The second thing I want to talk about is that I've been making a lot of headbands from recycled fabric, thrifted, hand-me-down, donations, all different kinds of recycled fabric. And I started out with denim, and I made some cute denim headbands, and I'm also starting to make them with other kinds of fabric, so I really hope you guys like them. And if you're interested in buying one, I'm thinking of starting an Etsy or a Depop to start selling them. But please let me know if you're interested by commenting down below or DMing me on Instagram. But yeah, I'll let you get back to the video now. Okay, so this outfit isn't as cute as I hoped it would be, but I still get Rachel Green vibes from this, and I think it's still pretty 90s, but something's off about it, I don't know, but I think it's still pretty cute. And also you can either wear them without the socks or with the socks. I think they look better with the socks. I think it's way more 90s, and I know definitely this was a style wearing tights under shorts. People used to do this in elementary school too. This is also kind of a more wintry fall outfit. I'd probably put a black sweater over it or a black shawl or something like that. Okay, this is definitely the simplest outfit I probably have in this video. It's so basic, I know, but it gave me very Monica Geller vibes. I know she wears an outfit like this on the show, and I just think it's super cute and very simple, more like streety, I guess. This tank top is from PS. I don't even think it's a store anymore. That's how old this shirt is. I literally got it when I was 10, probably. That's why it looks kind of small, and I actually did have to tighten back just because it fits so weirdly. But these jeans are from Hollister, and they're a little more loose fitting. They're not really my size, but I feel like that kind of adds to like the streetwear almost. Very simple, very basic, but still cute and 90s. Okay, now we are moving into 2000s, and as you can see, this is a very 2000s look. I feel like one of the Twitches girls would wear this, or like, I don't know, I just feel like this would definitely be in a 2000s movie. But this shirt was a hand-me-down from my aunt, and then this necklace I put on is from Brandy Melville, and it has these cute little gems and colors, and I feel like it's so 2000s. And then lastly, I'm wearing these flare low-waisted black jeans, and they're also from my aunt. They're also flares at the bottom. And I just think this outfit is super cute, and I definitely cannot pull off low-waisted pants. I think they're so cute on other people, but I just can't pull them off, and I'm really upset because I just love the style, but not flattering. Okay guys, so this is the last outfit. My necklace again is just the Brandy Melville necklace, and then my shirt is a tank top I thrifted, and then I added a little bow onto it, and then I cut it in the back and made a little tie shirt. And I found that hack on TikTok, but I think it's super cute and it's really pretty with the lace, and I feel like that's what gives off the y2k vibes, and how it's like just a small little tank top. I feel like in the 2000s they were very like small tank tops. I mean, I guess we do now also, but I don't know, it's just like very small and like a lot of stomach basically. But yeah, I have these blue jeans on. They're flare jeans, and they are from Depop again, and they just have really cute stitching on them. I haven't been wearing hair accessories throughout this whole video, but I just thought that this white headband would look so good with this outfit. Literally, like, come on. Again, the jeans are not that flattering, but we're just gonna ignore that. We can look past it, and it's all good. Okay, the lighting has definitely changed throughout this whole video, so I'm very sorry about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it and trying on all my decades outfits, and I love the 80s, 90s, and 2000s. I mean, who doesn't, right? Please let me know if you have any video suggestions or what you want to see from me next. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Peace! I do thumbs up way too much.